Good morning, class. Today is Tuesday, and today for our lesson, we're going to review all the letters that are in the names of the planets in our solar system. All right, so let's review our planets. There are 8 planets in our solar system. How many planets? Yes, 8 planets. There are 8 planets in our solar system, and the first one that is closest to the sun starts with the letter, what letter is this? Yes, the letter M. The first one is Mercury. Good job, Mercury. The second one is starts with the letter. What letter is this? V. Yes, V for Venus. Good job. The third one is the planet that we live on. Which one is that? E is the first letter in the word Earth. What is it? Earth. Good job. M is the next planet. M for Mars. What is it? Mars. Good job. Then comes Jupiter. Yes, what? Jupiter. Good job. Saturn. What is it? Saturn. Good job. And Uranus. What is it? Uranus. Good job. And last planet farthest from the sun is Neptune. Good job, you guys. All right, so what 3 letters make up the word sun? That is the next letter is the letter U. Let's write a U, okay? The letter U. S-U and the letter N. Sun. Get ready? Sun. All together? Sun. What is it? Sun. Good job. All right, and this Mercury, our first planet, Mercury, is the same length, has the same amount of letters as the planet Jupiter and Neptune. There are so many letters in these words, but that's okay because you guys are going to know all of them by the end of this. So the first letter after M in Mercury is the letter E. What letter? E. Get ready. Look, here's our letter E. M. E. After E comes the letter R. After the R comes C in Merc. Then U for Mercure. And then after the U comes an R. And then the letter Y. Mercury. Do you see that? Mercury. So what letter is this letter right here? The letter E. What is it? E. Good job. Then we have our letter R. What is it? R. Good job. Then we have the letter C. What is it? C. Good job. Then the letter U. Good job. U. And the letter R. What is it? R. Good job. And last but not least, the letter Y. What is it? Y. Good job. So we have first our word sun. And then Mercury is the first planet closest to the sun, the first of 8 planets. How many planets? 8 planets. Good job. Then we have our planet Venus, and the second letter in the word Venus is the same as the second letter in the word Mercury. What letter is this? It's the letter E. Good job. V-E. And then the third letter is the same as the third letter in our word sun. Do you guys remember what this letter is? The third letter in the word sun is the letter N. Let's write our N. All right, and then after our letter N in Venus comes the letter, the same as the 5th letter in the word Mercury and the second letter in the word sun. So let's listen to our word sun. That is the sound of the letter U. What letter? U. Good job. V-E-N-U. And the last letter in Venus, do you hear that? What letter is this? S. Do you guys know what letter that is? Starts the same letter as the word sun. S. What letter is this? Yes, S. What letter? S. Good job. Yes. Venus. V-E-N-U-S. Venus. Good job, you guys. And then we have our planet, Earth. What is it? Earth. But let's write the letters in. So the first letter after the letter E is the first letter of the alphabet. Do you guys know the first letter of the alphabet? A, B, C. Oh, what was it? A. Good job. Yes, A. E, A. Then we have our letter. What letter is this again? Our letter R. Good job. And then we have a new letter that hasn't been in our other planets yet. We have the letter T. What letter is this? The letter T. Good job. And then we have the letter H. After T, the H also hasn't been in any of our planets yet. H. E-A-R-T-H. What letter is this? T. And what letter is this one? H. Good job. T-H. Earth. We also have an A in the word Mars. Where's the letter A in Earth? Is it this one? No. Is it this one? No, that one's our H. It's this one. Yes, A is the first letter of the alphabet. M-A-M-R. Ooh, look, it almost says it. M-A-R, Mar. Do you hear the letter R in that word? Look at all these R's we have in our planets. We have an R in Mars, just like we have an R in Earth. And the last letter of Mars is an S. What is it? An S. Mars. Good job. Up next to our planet Jupiter. Actually, let's review our Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. Then comes Jupiter. What is it? Jupiter. Good job. Ju. What letter should go there? What letter is this right here? U. This is the letter U. So we're going to put Ju, our letter U, next to the J in Jupiter. Now listen. Jup. How it stops there. This is the letter P. What letter is this? P. Good job. Jup. E. This is our letter I. What is it? I. Yes, Jupe. And then we have another T. T. Jupit. And then we have another. What letter is this right here? E. Yes, we have another E in Jupiter. And our last letter in the word Jupiter is an R. Good job, you guys. Jupiter. J. U. P. I. T. E. R. Jupiter. And let's get ready with our next planet, Saturn. What is it? Saturn. So the first letter is an. What letter is this? An S, yes. And the second letter is the first letter of the alphabet. Do you remember what that is? It's an A. What is it? An A. Yes. S-A. What letter is this right here? It's in the word Jupiter and in Earth. Jupiter, Sat. It's the letter T. What is it? T. Good job. Sat-er. We have another U. Another U right here. Sat-er. Oh, look. And another. What letter is this right here? R. Good job. Yes, R. And the letter, we haven't had an N since the planet Venus or Sun. Sun ends in N. What letter? N. Good job. And Venus has an N in it. Saturn also ends in the letter N. This is our letter N. Up next we have Uranus. U is the first letter. U. And then the letter R. U-R. A is the first letter of the alphabet, just like in Saturn and Earth and Mars. A, we have another N, just like in Saturn again, and Venus and Sun. U-R-A-N. U. We have another U, just like at the beginning of Uranus. And then the letter S, Uranus. Do you hear that? S, what letter? Yes, S. What letter? S. Good job, Uranus. All right, and for our last planet, what's our last planet that's farthest from the sun? Let's think about it. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Good job, Neptune. The next letter is an E. E, just like in Jupiter and Earth and Venus and Mercury. There are E's in all of those words. Oh, look, it's just like in Jupiter and Neptune. The letter P. Good job. Yes, P. What is it? P. Do you hear that? What letter is this? The letter T. Good job. Yes, Neptune. We have the letter U. Neptune. And we have an N. Neptune. And there's an E at the end of that word. There are 2 E's in the word Neptune. 2 E's in the word Neptune. All right, so let's go and find all of our letter A's. Let's look in the word sun. Do we have any A's in the word sun? No. Are there any A's in the word Mercury? Mercury. Did you hear me say the letter A? No. How about in Venus? Venus. Do you hear any A's in there? No. All right, let's check Earth. Do you see the letter A in this word? I think I do. E-A-R-T-H. Yes, A is in the word Earth. And it's also in the word Mars. Do you see that? They line right up with each other. Mars. We have an A in Earth and an A in Mars. Let's look for this letter over here. Do you guys see this letter anywhere over here? Look, we have it in our word Saturn. Do you see how these letters look the same? Mars has an A and Saturn has an A. And it's also in Uranus. Mars, Earth, Saturn, and Uranus all have the first letter of the alphabet in them. Thanks for watching, you guys. I hope you guys remember your planets. Let's review them one more time. Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Let's do that one more time, okay? Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Okay, this time I'm going to point to the words. We'll go a little bit slower, okay? Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Good job, you guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys are remembering all your planets and practicing our songs. See you next time.